Everyone, welcome in EVS class. Student, in our previous class we have done practice assignment 13 and 14. Okay. Now in today's class we will discuss practice assignment 15, 16 and 17. Okay. So let's start. Beta practice assignment 15 is based on the chapter 15. And what's your chapter name? Chapter name is a direction. Okay. So let's start. Give one word for. Here are some statements given and we have to give answer in one word. So first is direction in which the sun rises. In which direction the sun rises? East. So first east. E-A-S-T. Now direction in which the sun sets. In which direction the sun sets? West. W-E-S-T. West. Now next direction the top of the map. बेटा मैप की जो टॉप पे कौन सी डायरेक्शन होती है? डायरेक्शन द टॉप ऑफ द मैप इज नॉर्थ. N-O-R-T-H. and the direction at the bottom of the map. Top of the map north and the bottom of the map south. S-O-U-T-H. South. Now draw the map of your classroom in your notebook. Okay, now you can draw a map in your notebook. Now see one direction pointed out by a compass is marked, which the help of it mark the rest of the direction. देखिए बेटा, here is compass given and we have to mark them. ठीक है, and here direction north is given. North has given. So let's see. देखिए, as you know, compass needle always points toward the north direction. So north here and here is east. Okay. Now in downside is south and here is west. Okay. So in the compass needle always point the north direction. Here east, here south and here west. Okay. Now only in this practice assignment on 58 page number it says only, now name any 3 landmarks that you will help others to locate your house daily. Easily, sorry. आपके हाउस तक पहुँचने के लिए किसी भी आपके फ्रेंड को इजीली पहुंचने के लिए आप किसी भी तरह के 3 लैंडमार्क के बारे में बताएंगे. एंड योर फ्रेंड इज अनेबल टू लोकेट योर हाउस. शी हैज़ रीच अ नियर बाय मार्केट. नाउ गिव हर एंड हिम द डायरेक्शन टू रीच योर हाउस. आपका कोई फ्रेंड है जो कि आपके हाउस के में पहुंचना चाहता है और वो आपके नियर बाय मार्केट में है, तो अब आप उसको मार्केट से आपके घर की डायरेक्शन बताएंगे कि वो किस डायरेक्शन में चल के आपके घर तक पहुँच सकता है. ओके. नाउ बेटा, we have done our practice assignment 15. Now come on the practice assignment 16. Now beta, let's discuss practice assignment 16. And what's our chapter name? Chapter 16 name is time. Okay. Now first is write lines about each of the following. First है day. देखिए day क्या होता है बेटा? The time between the sun rises and sunset is called the day. Okay. सूरज के उगने से लेके और सूरज के छिपने के बीच का जो टाइम होता है वो क्या कहलाता है? दिन यानी डे. सेकेंड है नाइट. जस्ट अपोजिट ऑफ इट, द टाइम बिटवीन द सनसेट्स टू सनराइजेस इट्स कॉल्ड नाइट, यानी सन के छिपने से लेके और सूरज के उगने तक. ठीक है, सूर्यास्त से लेके और सूर्य उदय होने तक का जो बीच का जो टाइम होता है वो कहलाता है नाइट यानी रात. फिर है कैलेंडर. कैलेंडर क्या होता है बेटा? अ कैलेंडर टेल अस अबाउट द मंथ, डेज एंड डेट. हमें कैलेंडर एक जो ईयर होता है उसके मंथ, डेट और डे के बारे में बताता है. नेक्स्ट है लीप ईयर. बेटा अ लीप ईयर हैज़ 366 डेज बिकॉज इन दिस ईयर फरवरी हैज़ 29 डेज एंड अ लीप ईयर कम्स आफ्टर 4 years. ओके. सो दिस इज द 4 options given, 4 topics given. We have to write the lines on each of them. Now second, complete the chart. देखिए फर्स्ट 1 ईयर, देखिए बी एक्सरसाइज है आपकी। फर्स्ट 1 ईयर इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी वीक्स। बेटा 1 ईयर में कितने वीक्स होते हैं? 52। ओके, नाउ सेकेंड इज 1 डे इज इक्वल टू, नाउ 1 डे इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी इंट्स? 1440। बेटा देखिए 1 डे में हाउ मेनी आवर्स? 24 एंड 1 आवर में कितनी मिनट्स? 60 मिनट्स। व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई 24 मल्टीप्लाई 60 देन व्हाट वी गेट? 1440 यानी 1440 या फिर 1440। नाउ 1 मंथ, 1 मंथ इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी डेज? So 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 days. Now next is 1 century is how many years? So my dear kids, 1 century is 100 years. And last is 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, now I forgot to fill in the sum of month. Can you fill them? देखिए बेटा first is January and January के after blank. So what's the month come here? February. February. After that which month? March. ठीक है. Now April has given here, January has given. Now April के बाद after that April, May. Okay, now June, June. After that July has given. Now August also has given. Now next month is September. 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 Now October has given. After that beta November, November, and last December, December. Okay, so these are our 12 months. Now next, name the months with 30 days or 31 days. तो which month has 30 days? तो 30 days किस किस मंथ्स के होते हैं बताइए? कौन कौन से मंथ है जिनमें 30 days होंगे? देखिए अप्रैल हैज 30 days. ओके, नाउ जून हैज आल्सो 30 days. देन September हैज 30 days and November हैज 30 days. Okay, so which are the months? Those have which has 30 days? April, June, September and November. Now we have to tell 31 days. Those months have 31 days. We have to tell them their names. So let's see. 31, January has 31 days. March has 31 days. Now May has 31 days. July also has 31 days. August also has 31 days. Now October has 31 days and December has 31 days. So which months? Let's see. January, March, May, July, August, October and December. These months has 31 days. Okay, and February has 28 or 29 days. In normal year, February has 28 days. And in a leap year, February has 29 days. Okay, students. Now let's see. Match the column. Match the following column A or column B. So first है आपका a complete day. So complete day. So let's see a complete day. बेटा a complete day when day and night comes together, makes together. Day and night together makes a complete day. Okay. So first C option is correct. Okay, now second morning is sunrises. In the morning, sun rises. Okay, yeah, sun rises in the morning. So second, E. Now third, leap year. In a leap year has 366 days. So what's the option is given? Third, D. Now fourth, evening. Evening, sunset. The sun sets in the evening. So fourth, A option is correct. And last 5. 1 week has how many days, students? 7 days. 1 week has 7 days. So fifth option is B. Okay. Now F number. Number the picture correctly 1 to 6 to give proper sequence to different activity. So let's see in the picture. Let's see, students. देखिए first A, B and C. देखिए और here are some 3 pictures also has given. Let's I'm showing you D, E and F. So let's see. देखिए first E number first, because in this picture a boy is woke up. वो उठ रहा है. After that he ready and go to school. So D is the second number. Now third is A number, because he came back to our home. ये स्कूल से वापस आ रहा है. So ये स्कूल से वापस आ रहा है. 3 number. Now fourth, he talked with his parents. So B is the fourth number. Now F is the 5th number, because in this picture he plays with his friends in the evening. Okay, F. And last is your C number. In this picture, let's see. देखिए, he go to the bed. Okay, for the sleeping. Okay, so what's the correct option? 3, 4, 6, 2, 1, 5. Okay, so beta, this is your practice assignment 16. Now let's discuss practice assignment 17. Now beta, let's discuss practice assignment 17. Okay, beta, this chapter, our chapter 17 is seasons. In this chapter we got the knowledge about the different types of seasons. Okay, summer, winter, rainy or monsoon, autumn and spring season. So let's see, name the given seasons. Here are 5 pictures given and we have to. So see beta, this picture, this is picture of which season, bache? Autumn season. AUTUMNSEASON. And this is the summer season. SUMMER, summer. Now third, in this picture flowers are bloom and everywhere is a greenery. So which season is? Spring. SPRING. Now this is a rainy season, because there is a lots of water, rain. So RAINY, rainy. And this is winter. WINTER, winter. Okay. Now write a few lines about your favorite season. Which is your favorite season? You can write 5 lines on it. Okay. Now see, write true or false. देखिए बच्चे, first, it snows at some places in rainy season. क्या rainy season में कुछ जगह पर snow होती है? No. In a winter season, snows is there. Snow at some places in winter season. So first is false statement. Now second is raincoat helps to keep us dry in rainy season. Yes, raincoat helps us to dry in a rainy season. So it's a true. Now third, we wear cotton clothes in winter season. No, we wear woolen clothes in winter season and cotton clothes in summer season. So it's also false. Now fourth, autumn season is a time for the picnics. No beta. Autumn season is not a time for a picnic. Spring season is a time for picnic, because in this season means spring season. In spring season weather is very pleasant. Okay. So it's also false. Now last, monsoon is also known as fall. No beta. Monsoon is also known as a rainy season, and autumn season is also known as fall, because in this season many trees fall their leaves. Okay, so it's also false. Now next, write the name of the season of each features. देखिए first, लीफ फॉल, लीफ का गिरना किस सीजन में होता है? ऑटम। ओके, नाउ सेकेंड, चिरपिंग बर्ड्स। नाउ चिरपिंग बर्ड्स, बेटा चिरपिंग बर्ड्स कब चकाते हैं? इन स्प्रिंग सीजन। नाउ येलो लीव्स इन ऑटम सीजन। हॉट, वेयर इज द वेदर इज सो हॉट? इन समर सीजन। नाउ कूलर्स, when we use coolers in summer season. Now warm, yes, when we use woolen clothes to keep us warm, winter season. Now flowers, in which season? Everywhere is flowers blooms in spring season. Now heaters, beta in which season we use heaters? In winter season. Now cold, in which season is cold? Yes, winter season. Now swimming, in which season we enjoy the swimming? Swimming in summer season. Now paddles, in which season we board the paper boat in paddles? In rainy season. And now tea and samosa, in which season we enjoy to take tea and samosas? In rainy season. Okay, so you write each in the front of the each features you write the season's name. Okay, now next cross the odd one out. देखिए फर्स्ट समर, क्लाउडी, विंटर एंड मानसून. सो विच वन इज ऑड वन बच्चे? देखिए विंटर, समर एंड मानसून आर द सीजन्स एंड क्लाउडी इज द वेदर. सो व्हाट्स द ऑड वन? फर्स्ट क्लाउडी, CLOUDY. This is your E exercise. Now second, cap, gloves, jacket and cooler. बेटा cap, jacket and gloves we use in the winter season, बल्कि और कूलर हम कब यूज करते हैं? इन समर सीजन. सो कूलर इज द ऑड वन. Now next, cold drink, juices, soups and ice cream. बेटा cold drink, ice cream and juices we enjoy in the summer season and soups we take in a winter season. So soup, SOUP. Now next, sweater, raincoat, gum boots and paper boards. देखिए बेटा raincoat, gum boots and paper boards is a we use in a या फिर these are all the things related to the rainy season. Okay, or monsoon season, and sweater we wear in the winter season. So which one is odd one? Sweater, SWEATER. Now next is flowers, butterflies, blowers and picnics. Beta butterflies, picnic and flowers, these all the words are related to the spring season, and blowers is used in winter season. Okay, so blower, BLOWER. Okay, now draw and color a rainbow. Beta in your drawing file or in your notebook you can draw a rainbow and color it. So my dear students, this is the practice assignment 17. So my dear kids, today we have completed our practice assignment 15, 16 and 17. Okay, hope so you understood very well these topics. You will complete this all the assignment in your book Neat and Clean Writing. Okay beta, thank you, bye bye. Bye.